Hi everyone, it's Evangeline here at etrailer, and today we're taking a look at the Inno Gravity Ski and Snowboard Carrier and how it fits on the 2019 Honda Civic. If you want to go skiing or snowboarding, but you don't want to carry your skis and snowboards inside because you want to make space for your friends, then you're going to need a separate ski and snowboard carrier, like the Inno Gravity. This is a very popular option, especially the dual gravity, just because of how well it fits the Civic, and the memory mount system this has makes it super easy to install and uninstall. First and foremost, what type of roof rack do you have on your Honda Civic? So I put some Sea Sucker monkey bars on here as a quick roof rack solution. I highly recommend our more semi-permanent options though, just because of stability. But if you have round crossbars like these, this will still work. It just won't be as stable as most of your other roof rack options. So I'll talk about that in a second, but the cool thing about this is you only have to set it up once for the tension you need. After that, you can use the memory mount system this has to make it easier to install and uninstall your ski and snowboard carrier. So adjust your tension with this knob, and once you get the right tension, you should be able to just apply just enough pressure to secure that clamp. But once you've got that tension down for your roof rack, you don't have to make those adjustments anymore. Do the same thing for your other carrier, and now you're ready to use your ski and snowboard carrier. So how many skis and snowboards can you carry on this? Well, for ours here, we can carry up to 3 pairs of skis or 2 snowboards if you stack them on top of each other. If you want to carry more, check out the dual Inno Gravity where you have 2, 1 on each side. So this has a rubber padding on the bottom and on the top, and that's what's holding onto your skis and snowboards. Because of this design, you can also convert this into a fishing rod holder during the warmer months. And once you have your skis and snowboards in there, notice how you just need to push down. It secures, and then you can lock it at the end. With this locked, you are unable to take the carrier off or access the skis and snowboards for extra security. But once you have it unlocked, even if you're wearing your thicker gloves, this button is sticking out. So you just need to hit it with the palm of your hand, and the whole thing pops up and stays open. There we go. And that makes it easier for you to load and unload your equipment. So my personal thoughts about the Inno Gravity, especially on the Honda Civic, is I like putting skis and snowboards on the Civic because of how low it is to the ground compared to your other taller vehicles where you really have to stretch to get them on there. The memory mount system is great. When you have your thick and heavy gloves, you don't want to be fiddling around with levers and knobs and bolts. This big lever that you can use in order to take off your entire system is great because then it's there, it's set to it, you're ready to hit the road. Now, if you want to carry around more skis and snowboards, check out the dual gravity. This is a bit taller compared to some of the other skis and snowboards carriers, so it's not going to be as aerodynamic as something like the Yakima Fat Cat Evo. We can carry around your equipment, you can close it well, and you can lock it. I think it's still a great option. And that was a look at the Inno Gravity Ski and Snowboard Carrier on our 2019 Honda Civic.